Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a do-it-yourself edible soil layers. Each fruit depicts a different layer of soil. It's a nice and tasty project for all ages. Remember to have a parent with you to guide you, and with that, let's go! Materials you'll need are Oreo cookies for bedrock, gummy worms, chocolate chips, both milk and white for pound material, coconut flakes and green coloring for organic material, clear cups for sampling, chocolate pudding for the topsoil, yummy! Step 1, we're gonna create the bedrock by placing a whole Oreo cookie in the cup. Step 2, we'll set in place the chocolate chips to form the pound material. We'll slab on the topsoil with the chocolate pudding. Hang in there. We're halfway in making this delicious project. Step 4. We will crush and dump a couple of extra Oreos to create the topsoil. We will do this to make it feel like gravel and add also great crunch to its tree. Step 5. We'll compost the organic organ system. This gummy worms will now be over the topsoil to mimic real worms in the soil. Also, mix the coconut flakes with the green food coloring and place it over to give it a grassy look and feel. Last step is time to eat and enjoy. Yum! I hope everyone enjoyed this tasty experiment. As it shows all the levels of the soil, please share until next time. Bye!